Hi, welcome back to Hear Yourself videos from Monotone. And if you missed any, then please do check out on our website under the media tab. And to ensure that you don't miss any in the future, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get notifications. Friends, a month ago, episode 22 of Hear Yourself brought to you the hottest topic of the current times, work from home and the need for acoustics. This episode 27 follows up on your questions and provides answers on how to assess specific needs and provide acoustical solutions. Why to buy and what to buy online from Monotone's eShop on our website. 6 questions from you and step-by-step answers from Monotone by Prajakta Patel, our design manager.
One size does not fit all. We have divided room sizes into 6 categories from extra small to extra large. We took sample dimensions of typical study rooms. Please see which room type fits your requirements. Please note, the numbers are rounded off in meters as Anutone follows the metric system. But if you are used to feet, then it is given in brackets, rounded off of course. We calculate room surface areas and volume to perform acoustic modeling, which is computer simulation of the sound behavior in a room in 3 stages: bare room, furnished room and furnished room treated with acoustical panels. We arrive at reverberation time, that is RT or echo time, which has to be reduced to ensure distortion-free sound into your laptop's mic as also from the laptop speakers to your ears. This obviates the need for headphones, extended use of which can fatigue you. For those interested, reverberation time is defined in acoustical parlance as time taken for sound at say 90 dB, that is top, to decay to say 30 dB. If an enclosed space is very echoey, the time take is more and goal is to reduce it with treatment to walls and ceilings. We then set up the design criteria goals as to what are our expectations for given room size and volume. Acoustical panels come with a sound absorption coefficient 0.1 to 0.9, which approximates to 10% to 90% sound absorption. But the catch is, this is true only for sound waves incident to the panel's surface. So surface area available for sound absorption is calculated. Note that of a study room's 6 surfaces, ceiling, 4 walls and floor, 50% is not available. 2 walls being cabinetry with desk and door window, floor 2 not being an option. So we are looking at balance 50%, which is the ceiling and 2 walls only. Only in bigger rooms at 3 walls too. One more thing. To complicate matters, sound is a function of its frequencies, and so it depends on the panel's characteristics which of the sound frequencies are absorbed. That's where the expertise of Anutone comes in handy. We identify strategic surface areas available for sound absorption and also the dominant frequencies present in sounds of study rooms to offer acoustical panels that are optimized for such needs. After applying the treatment, the reverberation time is calculated by Sabine's formula and criteria versus achieved checked. So here's an overview and a summary for you to make your choices depending on room type. Note, each acoustics in a box contains 4 panels of 600 by 600 mm size, which means 1.44 meters square installed in what we call a 4+ pattern. On the Anutone eShop, you can order by box as many boxes as you need. We are giving product suggestions, but you can substitute with other products on the eShop. For extra small room size, 1 box on ceiling, 1 box on wall. For small room size, 1 box on ceiling, 2 boxes on walls. For medium size, 2 boxes on ceiling, 2 boxes on walls. For large size, 1 box on ceiling, 3 boxes on walls. For extra large size, 2 boxes on ceiling, 4 boxes on walls. Finally, for double XL room size, 3 boxes on ceiling and 4 boxes on walls. With the click of a few buttons, you can very easily buy online at the Anutone's website under the eShop tab. You just need to choose the surface finish, the color choices. The panels will be delivered to your doorstep subject to applicable COVID guidelines and/or containment restrictions. Ceiling panels are easier to suspend than a fan and similar to light pendants. Wall panels are hung like paintings or other similar wall fixtures. Step-by-step guide is provided in the box, making it very easy to install as a DIY or by your local carpenter. Installation accessories and normal hardware for typical applications is included. It is acoustics in a box. All that is needed is included.
Once you have Anutone's acoustic panels installed in your study, you can be bindas. You can be carefree. You can be worry-free and be able to focus on that all-important call at hand. No distractions, no annoyance. Work from home could never have been easier with Anutone Acoustics. Thanks for watching, and until the next episode of Hear Yourself. Bye-bye.